aircraft by hand, this is important to hold. Watch your finger position.
Home point updated.
Right thumb on one side, two fingers on the left side, and then two fingers underneath to hold it. Hold it steady, okay? And have the camera facing you. And stretch the aircraft a little bit above your head. Slide it above your head. And don't get too close to your face because the propeller can spin fast. All right. Now, we are using manual technique to lift the aircraft. Now, of course, you look at the IC monitor. Make sure you have enough fixed satellites. Here we have, can I read? How many? 20? 25. 25 satellite ready. So this is ready to go. All right. This is manual technique.
Home point updated.
Oh, and that's this in the air. I want to put it down right away. And then you have to use the force to bring it down. If you don't use force, you will not land on your finger. Watch. Without using the force. You will not land on you. Okay? So once you convert to sport, slowly you land on you. Perfect. See? Very safe. Without cutting a finger. No injury. All right?